Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love. Oh. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Week. Happy New Month. I thank God for all of us. Say we see this year. We beat 2020 and we see this year by the grace of God. So are they happy? Are they jolly for everybody? I thank everybody wey phone me to greet me, to bless me. God go bless all of una too. Oh. This 2021, the thing wey no finish us for 2020 no fit do us anything this year. We don ready for this 2020, 2021 I mean. See as 2020 still dey my mouth na lie o. 2021 na so we go together, we go stand. All the thing wey God plan for us say we go do this year, we go do am, and nothing go stop us in Jesus name. So I thank all of una. I bless all of una. I say welcome to 2021. So today I happy too much. I happy too much. I happy too much. For me especially, say I see this year. Oh. I see this year na new beginning for me. Oh. Jesus do me well. Oh. God do me well, and I happy. This year, na me and una. We go waka this year. We go dey up, up. Nothing go bring us down. Nothing wey we hear, nothing wey we see go bring us down. So na so we go dey support ourselves as friends, as gist mates. We go dey help ourselves. If anybody fall, make we help the person get up again. Na together when we dey together like this, nothing we fit stop anything wey we plan say we go do. So make all of us dey for one mind. That one mind be say make we gree say every talent wey God give us, wey we no dey use before, we go find way wey we go take use am this year, wey we go take bless somebody this year. Every talent, every gift, anything wey God don give us, wey dem take born us for this world, wey we never use because we dey fear, we dey do one kind thing or the other, make we do am now. Because you see this thing, we no go carry am go heaven. Na for here na im people need am. Na here people need talent. Na here people need our gift. Na here people need our blessing. So this year, I get plenty hope. I get plenty expectation. I know say better day. And as the better day land like this, I go come gist una. You see this vaccination wey we dey talk. I dey talk to one my friend today. She dey for America and she dey medical field. She say the thing no be like as we think. Oh. She say she herself, she don take that vaccination. Say e be like say na 2 step dem dey do am. So she don take the first dosage. Say the only thing wey do her that first day be like say she tire. After that, nothing. Then she go take the second one after a few days. I don't know whether na 2 weeks. Then we come give her certificate. With that certificate now, dem no go fit restrict her movement, because e mean say as far as dem medically dey concerned, for this time, she dey okay. So we go dey look, as at least that story no be hearsay abi, na something wey she herself she experience. So make we dey see how the whole thing go be, and how all this travel thing wan do, because people still no wan travel. Some people dey say some different country wey get different rules. So the thing just dey confuse person. Some people go say dem go fly reach here, dem go reach there, dem no go carry dem go their destination. So e get as e be sha. Make we just dey look, make we dey see. But one thing wey I know be say the thing wey no defeat us last year, kai, e no fit do us anything this year. So make we just ready. Make we ready well, make we stand gidigba. This year we go enjoy this year. Nothing go spoil our enjoyment. True. Nothing. For me, oh me, I don determine say nothing go stop me my enjoyment. Anything wey wan disturb me like this, I go just tell am say make e get out, make e just go for my back, because na my back e dey, e no dey my front. Anyway, I happy for all of us o. I happy for all of us. I thank God say we get where to stay, we get food to eat, we even get money to dey pay for data wey we dey take watch video and internet. At least na something make we take thank God na, wey una fit even see this video, abi. So na something. So make we thank God for that one. So my people, as the year dey unfold, as new things dey happen, I go dey come gist una. You know say the year still new, but one thing I know be say better dey come for all of us. True. Make una follow me agree this thing. Better must follow us this year. Na so e go be. Bye bye.